Welcome back to Hexploits. Today we talking about level 2 or safety hacking web, which we created for you guys. Cracking MD5 hashes, passwords. MD5 is outdated, weak and commonly found in vulnerable system. Let's break it down and see how easy it is to crack. That is correct, because now these days they're using SHA-256, if I'm not wrong, and other much more advanced and better ones which are more difficult to break. And yes, we're back with that animation. Today I'll decide to have a skull face on myself, because why the heck not? And secondly, in this level we've got a hashed password stored in the database. I'll go extract it, crack it and log it, and let's get started. Right, so enjoy the rest of the video. Hopefully this video is a little bit more better. It shouldn't be too long like the other videos. So yeah, if you want to learn how to crack MD5 hashed encrypted passwords, more than happy to show you. Enjoy the video. Leave the comments, see what I can improve on in the future. Welcome back to Hexploits videos. Today we are talking about level 2 of our safety hacking web, cracking the MD5, which I told you guys about we'll be doing very soon, which we are. I have read your comments. I will be doing part 2 of Beef XSS. That's an amazing. I'm just trying to plan a cool video to do for you guys. Thank you to the support. We're nearly at 200, which is crazy, to be honest. A little bit over the month, and we are literally blowing up, which is super great. Can't wait for all of this to go out in GitHub releases. But anyway, so we navigating the level 2 challenge page. So our mission is your mission is to uncover the correct passwords by cracking the given MD5 hash to a admin account. Use tools such as Hashcat, John the Ripper or online tools. Hint, the password is in a common word and it has been encrypted using MD5. So this is where it is. Right, this is a hashed one which we made. Right, so we know that our user is admin, right, but we don't know the password. So that is our challenge for today, is to crack the password. But what we can do is to write a script. So we're not going to use Hashcat or John the Ripper. If you want us to see how you can do Hashcat or John the Ripper, we're more than happy to do it. But we have created a script. If we go in this one, right, we're going to do cd into the folder, which is MD. Yep, we are in the folder. We're going to do ls. Right, so now we're going to do nano. But yeah, there we go. Cool. So now we are in the script which we have created for you guys. Let me run it through for you guys. So basically our path is rocku. Basically what this is, it literally will tell you where the script will find their possible passwords found. Right, this is the target. So we'll be uploading this so you can use it in, ethically for this website. So this is what we're trying to find out. What is the password for this encryption, right? So what it's going to do is going to use their rocku file with all the password, admins, everything, and see if it can match it here, right? And it will be completely different. And if it does pass it, then obviously it's going to do a plus sign, password found, password, let's say, print password not found in the word list, if it doesn't find anything else, right? So now you know how it works. If you don't know how to make a dictionary, then use touch to make certain files, go back to my previous videos and we show you how to do it exactly. But for this exercise, we are going to show you how to use our script we made to potentially crack this hash. So it shouldn't be too long of a video. Hopefully that animated character is fun to look at. We are trying something more different things. But anyway, right, so let's run it. So we have our target set and where the file is going to be. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Nano, if you can spell, nano rock you pass. So as you can see, we have a lot of passwords, right, on our rocku file. Which one of these will possibly be the hashed one which we're looking for. So we're going to do Python free MD, right? This will only work if you're in your file you created for hash scripts, right? This is our own file which we made, so this is just for the video purposes only. Obviously, use it ethically, don't be stupid with it. And also, let's see how quickly it will find it. Boom, found it. That's how quick and powerful script writing can be. If you're interested of us teaching you how to use Python scripts and other scripts to help you achieve goals and make your life much more easier, comment down below. I'm more than happy to do it. Password found, right? Password not found in the word list. Ignore this, right? But this is what we're looking at. Password found. Secret pass. Did we get lucky the first time? I don't know. Let's try it out. Did I spell it correctly? No, I did not. Admin. Secure pass. Wow, and we are through. How can we tell if we're through? If we go to this one, here we go. First time through. Well, we didn't get through that one, but yeah, first time we tried it, didn't load nothing because I typed it wrong. The second time, as you can see, level 2 logging, HTTP 200, okay, then it goes to 302, which means redirecting, and then it gets the logging for level 3, which is 200, which is okay. And this is where we end our video because we are on level 3. So this shouldn't be too difficult. As you can see, hint solve there, CAPTCHA. What is 5 plus 3? I'm pretty sure you can notice what we're going to be doing. This is not a finished code. There'll be more stuff adding to it by the time this is out. So enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay ethical, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm still learning how to YouTube.